Hey everyone, this is Jack and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to the Torrance Antique Fair, which is in the city of Torrance, south of Los Angeles, just to check it out for the day. I had never been before, and it looked interesting. Okay, today we are at the Torrance Antique Market Fair, and this is my first time here. I believe they have one every fourth Sunday of the month, but we're here to check things out, so yeah. Where's the teacups? Oh my god, these are so cute. So cute. Like, that's the stuff that you would put as display. Got jewelry. And oh my god, plushies, clothing. Totally feeling this corner though, with the tapestry framed. And then, look, I even vibe with this. The flowers. And the ships. Oh my god. 140 bucks. Oh, gypsy stones and shit. Ooh. Pretty. Dragon head. So cute. They were macarons from afar. There are error coins, like ones that were not correct. Old Letterman jackets and leather and stuff. Whoa. Came back from Santa Fe, so this is kind of fun. Vintage paper. Oh, really nice texture. Cute. Oh my god, things next to knives. You know, for people who want a stabby, crabby. Just keeps going to Hawaii. Ooh, and they get laid too. That ship. Oh shit. It looks. I don't know. Oh, Taylor, Two Cities. That's the only one I know. No. These are so pretty. Cool buttons don't exist anymore. You'd have to put it on yourself. And also, the patterns, they're super cheap. They're not like embroidered like that anymore. It's a medium. Beautiful.
Stop by there.
But what if you get it and it's cold? Then what?
We can cool it down.
The post. Damn. Whoa. What are these Levi's though? Are they used? Levi's the shit. Always ending up in the hippie trippies. For some reason.
You're a hippie trippy.
Follow la la llama. Colors. Whirlies. Pearly whirly gates. Dang. Picture the bath. More like every day. All day, every day. AMC's. Succulents. So cute. Ooh, it's so pretty. Okay. I kind of like this though. I'm gonna come to one of these, but the one in Hollywood is supposed to be better. But I don't know. I've never been to it. Oh my god, it's so cute in there. Oh my god. Glassware stuff. That's a shiny ass crib. I don't know about any of these, but also that. Oh, lady. Sphinx, angel. We were coming to an end to the 4 streets that were closed off for this, and it was really amazing how much stuff there was on the street. Like, they pulled us out every single time.
That was it. That was a cool experience. Didn't get anything, but there was some stuff that we thought were really interesting looking, and I got a couple of ideas, so woo!
Marshmallow.
Mango habanero. Potato.
We hadn't eaten yet, so we decided to go to the SoCal Brewing Company that has some of the best mead. It's called Honest Abe Meadery, and we were able to get flights of their current mead as well as their cocktails and some grub. My partner had the brilliant idea of getting a little growler of the wildflower mead as well as a 4-pack can of the lychee mead for Renaissance Fair that we were going to go to next weekend with our friends.
Get a stick, hit all the things. Boom.
And last but not least, we went to a Guitar Center and a Vintage Kings studio to check out sound equipment because Jeremy wanted to upgrade his DJing equipment. This place had a Dolby Atmos room, and I had to play Pirates because that was going to be the theme of next week. And it's kind of my anthem for shenanigans. We spent the rest of the day making more kombucha, and you can find the process in one of my YouTube shorts here. Anyway, that is where we end our day. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it so that other people can learn about all the crazy little things that happen in Los Angeles. Subscribe and click the notification bell so that you know when I have new content out. I post every Saturday at 10 a.m. Pacific time. Follow me on my social media at _Jaconi. And until next time, keep curious, everyone. Jack out.